Hey guys, this is Brian from KTS Toy Review. So I'm doing a mic check on this microphone mic, Scott, because it's the same microphone, but I'm doing another check on it to make sure that it works. I talked to my friend Naze, and he said that the sound quality is kind of bad. So yeah, tell me if you guys can hear me on this or not. If not, I'm gonna write a review saying that the microphone itself is terrible, and yeah, let's go from there. Uh, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's still dark out. I think it rained earlier, so yeah, I'm on my way to work right now. I'll probably do another Ross review when I go to Ross, or I might go to Kroger's. Yes, there's a Kroger in Tri County now, next to the old Steak and Shake building, and they just opened up. Be sure to check them out. And yeah, sorry for it being dark out because I had no light. I forgot my light at home. So, so KTS signing out. I'm going up to Kroger's now to get some stuff. I might do a review when I go inside Kroger's. So, yeah. So KTS logging out. Bye.